Right, so now I've got the exhaust and all that there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it all in place and I'm gonna screw the exhaust in. So yeah, the muffler is on the side there. I'm gonna put that in after that dries a bit. This one. Right, so now we're gonna tighten them down. Oh shit. I'm gonna tighten them down. So that's the little bit down there. Alright, so now it's time for tape. I'm going to keep these tape bits on so it can just stay on and I'll take them off later. So we're just going to slip it on there. Actually no. I'm going to put this little bracket on first. And I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put it as far as it can go. And I'm going to put this spacer in place here. Right, so that's as far as it goes. There's this spacer here. Put this one over here. Right, we get that ready. I'm gonna get this bolt over here, and then we just slide it through. Got my little ratchet tool here. Get it on the find the hole and then just put it on. You tighten it a bit. Make sure the exhaust is properly. Slide it as far back as you can. So I did mine wrong. Back all the way. Find the slot. And then you just slip on. And tighten it as much so vibrations don't make it loose. And that's done. I'm going to peel the tape off. I'm going to peel the tape off now. Now I'm left with a nice cam. Now all I do is put plastics on. And we'll get the other plastic bolt, slip it through here. And then we just turn it on. Right, so yeah, done. There's my exhaust cam, done and paid. The chrome bits at the end, and then yeah.